that change is Mitt Romney. You guys, I look at this presidency and realize that it's been a failed presidency. He came into office and said he was going to repair America, repair the world. He said that he was going to bring a new level of respect in Washington. He was going to bring people together. He was going to get the economy going. And on almost every front, he's failed. Internationally, he's failed to secure America's future against Iranian nuclear ambition. Domestically, look, he borrowed, remember, $787 billion and said he'd hold unemployment below 8%. It has not been below 8% since. 35 straight months with unemployment above 8%. That is a definition of failure. And he wrote the code, said it was 8% unemployment. Even that's bad enough, and he hasn't been there. And here in South Carolina, 9.9% is